Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this waterproof case for your DJI Osmo Pocket 3. This one is actually really cool for traveling because it is 100% waterproof. So if you're going to be on a boat, if you're going to be on a cruise, I mean, not that you're going to actually drop it from a cruise, but if you're going to be in a place with water or to the beach or something like that, or even filming like a day in the pool or something, you may have kind of like rest on a peace of mind that this one it's not gonna get wet if you put it inside. By the way, I'm gonna close it one more time. It's super strong. The clips are really strong. But this one comes with this lanyard over here, so you can just like hang it from your wrist if you want, or from your pocket, or from your backpack, or something like that. But it also comes with a clip, so you can clip it from the tripod as well if you also want. But going back to this, check this out. I only have my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 right now, but this is how it's gonna be. I'm gonna show you this first. So this is all the accessories that you can put inside. You can put all those ND filters. You can put the tripod. You can put some extra batteries. You can put the DJI microphone as well. But right now, this is what I have. And I still have the places to put all that. And you can see that this one is perfectly holding. It is super strong. It is kind of like really nice and compressed, so it won't move easily. And it also like that comes with this right here on the top. So it's kind of like cushioned, and it comes with the silicone inside, kind of like a silicone ring inside that will make it to be super strongly close against the water. I'm not gonna drop it in my pool, but I can if I want to. And this thing is 100% waterproof with all the place you want for all your DJI Osmo Pocket 3 accessories, as well as the main body and the battery.